Hi, I'm Nick Ryan, Assistant Principal for Term 4 here at Mirboo North Secondary College. With our Year 7s coming back to on-site learning on Monday, the 8 and 9s coming back for classes Tuesday, Wednesday, and then our Year 10s back on Thursday, Friday, I thought I'd just fill people in on what we're doing to make our school COVID safe.
With more staff and students on site, now that students are returning to on-site learning, we're putting in place rules and procedures to reduce the risks of COVID-19. COVID virus particles from an infected person can be transmitted through the air, by direct contact to another person, or by contacting a surface that infected person might have touched. Our safety procedures aim to reduce the risk of exposure to any potential COVID virus particles. The Department of Education requires schools to reduce the risk of transmitting COVID-19 by applying the 3 V's: vaccination, ventilation, and 3 vital COVID safe steps. The Chief Health Officer has stated that evidence shows that vaccinated people are less likely to contract COVID-19, and if they do contract it, they suffer less severe outcomes and are less likely to transmit it to others. All people aged 12 and over are eligible for a free vaccine. To help keep our students safe, staff who work in schools must be vaccinated. To minimise the risk of spreading COVID virus particles, we need to prevent the air in classrooms from recirculating within the room and potentially spreading the virus. Teachers will prop the doors and windows open to maximise the ventilation in each room. As the weather in Mirboo North can be cold at any time of the year, students should dress warmly and bring a coat. When it's practical, teachers will run some lessons outside to decrease the COVID risk. In line with state government regulations, face masks are to be worn at all times at school. This includes travelling on the bus or when walking to or from school. To increase student and staff safety, we'll have a cleaner on site all day, cleaning and disinfecting high contact points such as desks and tables, handrails and door handles. Each classroom will also contain sanitizer and disinfectant spray. As large gatherings can be a risk for spreading the virus, there can be no in-person assemblies, excursions, or visiting guest speakers. Unfortunately, no visitors includes parents and carers. If you need to see a teacher or the college principal, please ring the school to arrange a meeting. COVID-19 symptoms include fever, chills or sweat, cough, sore throat, shortness of breath, runny nose, and a loss or change in sense of smell or taste. Students with even the mildest of symptoms must stay home. Should a student start to develop symptoms whilst at school, they will be sent home. Hay fever symptoms can be similar to those of COVID-19. We know that spring can be a tough time for those with hay fever and other allergies. Students who suffer from hay fever and allergies should see their doctor to see if any medication or treatment is suitable to minimise their symptoms and their suffering. Remember, to keep the school community safe, if anyone presents with COVID symptoms, we'll contact home and ask for the student to be picked up. For further information about vaccinations and COVID-19, see www.coronavirus.vic.gov.au. If you need any information or have any questions about the school's COVID safety plan, please contact the school.